Hello students. So in the last video we have started our lesson, that is the separation of the substances. So in that we have already discussed about the separation of the substances from mixtures and that separation of the solution and their different substances. So in this video we are going to discuss that next method of separating solution, that is the sedimentation and decantation. So whatever the soluble and insoluble substances are there, when that are going to mix into the solution, then some of the impurities are there that are not going to mix, and that impurities are called as the insoluble substances, and which are dissolved into the solution, that all are called as the soluble substances. Which are not soluble substances, that all are the impurities. However, we have to remove. For that one of the most easier method is there, that is the sedimentation and decantation process. So what is meant by sedimentation? The sedimentation means the process in which that heavier insoluble substances are settled down to the bottom of the solution. So that is called as a sedimentation. And which heavier object is there? Solid thing is there. So that thing is called as a sediment. For example, rainwater. So in the rainwater, that total mud is mixed with each other. So from that muddy water, how do we remove that pure water? So for that, sedimentation is one of the methods there, sedimentation and decantation. So what is meant by the decantation? That decantation means that pouring out of the solution without disturbing the sediment, that is called as the decantation. So that both methods are related with each other. If we are taking a rainwater in which that mud is present, that means muddy water if we taken, then we have to keep that water glass for 2, 3, 4 hours. After that you observe it carefully. What you observe? That all mud are the soil impurities which are heavier, that all are settled down to the bottom of the glass. So after that, remaining water is as better than the previous. So that water is you have to remove without disturbing that settled down particles. So that settled down particles are called as the sediment, and that process is called as the sedimentation. But whenever you are going to remove that pure water from that mud, so that process is called as the pouring out of the water or the solution without disturbing the sediment. In that example, what is sediment? That mud is the sediment, or the soil particles are the sediment. So from that we have to remove the pure water. So that pouring out of the water or the solution without disturbing the sediment, that is called as a decantation. So by that way we have to separate that solid impurities which are insoluble into solution by sedimentation and decantation process. Sedimentation and decantation process म्हणजे काय की जर समजा एखादा वजनदार आणि पाण्यामध्ये न विरघळणारी वस्तू आहे आणि ती जर पाण्यामध्ये मिक्स झाली तर ती पाण्यापासून वेगळी कशी करायची, तर त्यासाठी सेडिमेंटेशन आणि डिकॅन्टेशनची प्रोसेस वापरली जाते. तर उदाहरणार्थ पावसाचं पाणी हे गढूळ असतं आणि जर समजा आपण त्या गढूळ पाण्यामधला आपल्याला माती किंवा चिखल हा घटक वेगळा करायचा आणि उरलेलं पाणी आपल्याला वेगळं करायचं, तर त्यासाठी आपण काय करू शकतो, तर ते गढूळ पाणी एका ग्लासमध्ये घ्यायचं आणि ते टेबलावरती 3 तास 4 तासासाठी ठेवून टाकायचं. त्याच्यानंतर तुम्हाला असं लक्षात येईल की जे काही घटक आहेत ते वजनदार असल्यामुळं, जड असल्यामुळे ते काय होतात, पाण्याच्या तळाला साचतात आणि ते राहिलेलं पाणी जे आहे ते स्वच्छ पाणी आपण काढून घेऊ शकतो. जे साचलेला जो गाळ आहे त्याला आपण सेडिमेंट असं म्हणतो किंवा ते साचण्याच्या प्रोसेसला सेडिमेंटेशन असं म्हणतात आणि त्याच्यातून पाणी बाजूला काढण्याच्या पद्धतीला डिकॅन्टेशन असं म्हणतात. सो लाईक दॅट ऑल related to the sedimentation and decantation process. About the filtration process, now we are going to discuss that next point, that is the filtration. So let us start. Filtration is the process by which two substances get separated by using that various instruments like a strainer, filter paper, otherwise muslin cloth. So by that we can separate that insoluble solid and liquid from the solution. So that is called as a filtration. Filtration means what? Two substances are get separated by using various device, otherwise instruments like a filter paper, muslin cloth, otherwise strainer. But there is one of the condition is that strainer's hole are smaller than the solid particles. So then only that solid impurities get separated from the solution. For example, that TUs get separated through the strainer from the T. So that way we have to do the filtration. Otherwise that fruit pulp gets separated from the fruit juice. So that is called as the filtration. So like that there is all are related to the filtration. Filtration म्हणजे काय की दोन पदार्थ वेगळे करण्याची पद्धत की ज्याच्यामध्ये काही प्रकारच्या साधनांचा वापर केला जातो किंवा थोडक्यात गाळण पेपर किंवा फिल्टर पेपर असं त्याला म्हणतात, चाळणी, गाळणी म्हणजे आपण चहासाठी जे वापरतो ती गाळणी त्याला स्ट्रेनर असं म्हणतात, किंवा आपण मुस्लिन क्लोथ एखादं कापड वापरू शकतो आपण की ज्याच्यातून आपण काय करू शकतो, सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स आणि लिक्विड वेगळं करू शकतो. शक्यतो आपण चहा जर समजा आपल्याला शोधून घ्यायचा जर झाला तर आपण काय करतो, तर गाळणी वापरतो. गाळणीतील आपल्याला चहाचे जे काही पत्ते आहेत ते आपण त्या स्ट्रेनर मधून बाजूला घेतो आणि गाळलेला चहा आपण कपमध्ये ओतून तो घेऊ शकतो. त्या पद्धतीने आपण काय करतो, तर सॉलिड पार्टिकल आहे ते लिक्विड मधून वेगळं करतो. पण त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही जर गाळण्याचे होल्स जर बघितले तर तुम्हाला असं लक्षात येईल की ते गाळण्याचे होल जे असतात त्यापेक्षा काय असतात, चहाचे पत्ते जे आहेत ते मोठे असतात, त्यामुळे ते आपण सहजरित्या आपण बाजूला काढू शकतो. तर याला म्हणायचं फिल्ट्रेशन. So like that other methods are there, and that like condensation and evaporation. About that we are going to discuss into the next video. So up to that, stay home, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you.